Yes, muri Bwarabezi News Center webali kuba n'ogenda mu misiro kono tukulata ekingumaza nakusaba n'ekintu kyomwe osubscribing basokono subscribing kandi oliking sharing na video egi ninga si amakuru ange onakurira izoba atuni tukora follow up abarunakurwanya mwazo tugereza kureba kwa tureba akote nkoko bene itambara erizoba niyo judgment akandi amutuherize Bobson ayisira abantu bamusara emyaka 10 binjire katubirebe na nakote ko kuyatambara utakarugo
Nino
I request the court.
in your language.
Nishaba koti omuchene se chera mpereze enganyine mabukwa na nyetinye nkapagamba from A to Z kurugenya mani bagamba ekizibu cyomutwe but all in all ebyarugamu ni bye talo chindi because I'm only the son nyekula mami aliyo wenka also beningezaho anyekanye kwetungura kandi nkakora kamfrango kona tinkakora gakiri cyona diso eke stane ikibeta stane but with all gods yona mukama nuwakumanya aharanti taro chindi also way God help you also
With Article 23(8) of the Constitution of Uganda and the Regulation 15(2) of the Constitution, sentencing guidelines of Court of Judicature, Practice, Direction of 2013, to the effect that the court should deduct the period spent on remand from the sentence considered the appropriate. After all factors have been taken into account, this court hereby takes into account and set off a period of 7 days the convict had spent on remand and passes the sentence as follows. A. 101 years imprisonment on count 1. B. 101 years imprisonment on account 2. C. 101 years imprisonment on count 3. D. 60 years imprisonment on count 4. E. 60 years imprisonment on account 5. F. 60 years imprisonment on account 6. G. 60 years imprisonment on count 7. H. 60 years imprisonment on count 8. 6. HI. 60 years imprisonment on account 9. All to be served concurrently starting today, 5th of January 2020. The convict is advised that he has a right of appeal against both conviction and sentence within the period of 14 days. Dated at Erieru Sub-County, Oliviri's District, this 5th day of January 2021. I saw order.
Ebyasharamu byanshemeza kandi byaba birungi ahabukuba ebibamusharra nago nyinshi ayino butargayo ninga nawe ayino okurgayo ninga ayino butargayo nibo banshemeza mun koti yanshemeza yebare byasharamu buzima byanshemeza munonga kuko shati nkanye nyowe nkimfakazi nyino busasa bahango munonga umukije wanje akafa abana banyemboye mbare ndebera ni nsaba government ni nsaba mzeyi president witu wa Uganda omazima ntitera umuranga nyihira mutuma nishabu buyambi abana bakorora n'abana bato munonga tinkuza kubasa mbashabu buyambi ubureberezi kandi no kushomanya ndabashome nebyo mukamagumeninga
amasana ngenda kayija Grace ensalamu muramuze yasalamu yetarimbi ngo kitaba ferirwa abana bitu tune kitwaganyirwamo habo kuba musabo kuyasara abana bitu bagafa twabazika hato kuya mu imyaka ya mukoma tine kitwaganyirwa kitu tusabo buyambara government ebase kureberera abana bo mugenza basijya ko abana batuma imyaka 2 nzaine imyaka emyezi 3 tusabo buyambi na bo mugenzi tayine buyambi abo abagenzi bamurebera tayine buyambi bona nsaba mwami Museveni kaguta usako urugo ngo tuekoreki utuherezo buyambi abo kwa tuyine tuyina kuturebera musire witu abafirma bamurebera ebyanje nibyebyo
hata ho process ndizo eyo kurabamu kutunga compensation eji tekuruga mahi compensation eji ni bane rugo mu government abo kuba ogwo muntu obutu asiba abari mukozi wa government kokana bakuzo mu civil authority baramu civil authority okuntu baratunge guidance kugira ngo omukozi wa government namusikare yita nko muntu how do we get compensation neta kurwa mu UPDF as an institution because UPDF neba nikora under the government of Uganda under the Ministry of Defense therefore nabakora mu civil authority nabakutunga guidance mu civil authority nubagamba there is also another process you go through then process niba followinga bakareba ngo batungo biyambi kuruga omu government abo kuba gutwasiba abari umukozi wa government kongata kugira ngo UPDF niye kuiza kora ki ko biyambobwe omu UPDF nabutariyo konka government niyo ko biyambi wamara kuraba procedures za compensation zone zo compensation zone there is a procedure mbwe nimba advisinga bagende omu civil authority nibasa kugenda bakabuza nka district ebya compensation how do somebody get compensation from the government of Uganda at least there is somebody to guide them then you are passing that compensation bazom process ejo then at a right time nibare kuba ya government ya Uganda. Thank you very much. Nikitu sasa twena term core ya UPDF abo kwa UPDF namhega abantu namhega disciplined konkogu wena arakore sembundu eitu amuhire kureba ngo yarinda abanya-Uganda n'ibintu byabo yagikoresa kutina s'abanya-Uganda okwita abanya-Uganda naza kureba ngo yayokora umusarabagwi nko musirikari etari nka UPDF mbaba mnonga
ngira enchwamu y'omusango wa Juhura kandi Bobson nakusiba emyaka igana gumwe emisango bamucyara abantu basatu emyaka igana gumwe kandi nabandi mukaga emyaka nkaga konka zona nakuzisavinga umurundo gumwe nizo emyaka igana gumwe ezirasokwana za kubana akora nawe yabe yagize kuba nasaba akonka norangu ko titi yabasakone gino misono kumurikiriza subscribinga likinga sharinga tureke mutwagumaho kandi tukugenda mu miso na namakuru.